could Bled's most idyllic site lie hidden just beyond the lake. Welcome to Selo, a peaceful village surrounded by forest, fields and meadows, where farming traditions and local stories shape everyday life. You can arrive to Selo on foot, by bike and with Bled bus. Nestled between the Dobra Gora hill and the Sava Bohinka river, Selo has developed as a farming village over the centuries. This traditional character has been preserved to this day. As you explore Selo, take time to admire its traditional farm architecture and enjoy the peaceful rhythm of village life. Selo is also known for its beekeeping tradition, which connects the village cultural heritage and its natural surroundings. You can discover the beekeeping heritage through an educational experience at Beekeeping Ambrozic, certified as part of the Bled local selection. In the experience, you will meet the bees, learn about the beekeeper's craft and taste locally produced honey. Every year in the middle of August, Selo comes alive during the traditional village evening event. Folklore, music, dance and local food bring different generations together in a celebration of village life. Selo may simply mean village, but it's much more than that. Thank you for exploring it with us, and we invite you to discover Selo for yourself. As you explore, please remember that Selo is someone's home. Be mindful of the local community, respect private property and take care of nature.